na maame Afia Akoto na hye n'echi Afia Akoto obegu Afia Akoto on oye devil nti se wo hu se me ye bibi ena te se na me kan so great na me kan sifa no enye na semu Afia Akoto me mean no fucking
Ebusia beef na ye the beef no koso we the battle line has been drawn between A+ and Afia Akoto. A+ the same be ebetu dwa edify Afia Akoto ho a wo kire se Afia Akoto no etwitwa na deje mu enfoni anasa ne naked pictures the Mcbrown kunu se opese one ne babeda na sansem we ebetu dwa na Afia Akoto se A+ ye be ma na se wo se ampa se wo pictures na on fa pictures no emra bonzen o ma 24 hours on fa emra bonzen ama Ghana fo nyina ehu na no e no be kan de Ghana fo eso ye hwe kwan se ka pictures no e ba boda abonzen na so 24 hours no eso ye pictures bia entimi ama beda bonzen emfi A+ akachi amfa mba na eno e na Afia Akoto se na sade a patapapeto we ye de mra ne wro enu ti se A+ se ya obona musa Ghana ha anaso maya ewumi ye de mra e na ye adwuma nti A+ ode ne bekwa akogina court asa asempa ye da sori ya Afia Akoto e di A+ akwa akogina mu e wo court na ansa na no ye behwe ensem a Afia Akoto e di A+ e ko court no o kan ye ni bi na ye behwe videos so a A+ ekeka ensem de fa Afia Akoto ho no ni nyina wa ha me ba be so na me so say aha e ye too much G8 so won subscribe channel we wi anu amia adoma no so amase upload bi aba won sa etimi akedi Yenhwe statement of claimant Afia Akoto edi ne nsem koda court no or can edi chair court no or say number 1 Plaintiff is a businesswoman and chief executive officer of Adepa group of companies, a group of companies in the business of import of cosmetics products and groceries. Plaintiff is also the chief executive officer of AAN Foundation, a gender advocacy non-governmental organization NGO with particular emphasis on girl-child issues. 2 Plaintiff is a former deputy chief executive officer of Micro and Small Loan Center Maslok, a microfinance company set up by the government of Ghana to provide micro and small loans for set-up and small businesses. Plaintiff held this position between 2017 and 2021. Afia Akoto HRS or no other organization na any non-governmental organization a NGO bi anu a emaye di anase enkwala maiwa eye di na ho asopa enu atwenso na oye Maslok mu pani asa position no okita fi 2017 edikosi 2021. Number 3 or say Plaintiff was also a deputy director of communication for the New Patriotic Party between 2012 and 2016. Plaintiff currently a member of the campaign team of the presidential candidates on the New Patriotic Party for the upcoming 2024 elections. Nti Afia Akoto HRS or Sankra Eka Dr. Muhammad Baumia the campaign team no Number 4 say Plaintiff is the staunch Christian and a leader in her church. She is also the Legion of Religious Affairs for the presidential aspirants of the New Patriotic Party. In this position, Plaintiff holds regular interaction with religious leaders in Ghana. Afia Akoto HRS or no or your baby a won fa ne nyamesum eni agrokra ne sense kra New Patriotic Party no emu empenifo a eni asofo dinkita woso no ono Afia Akoto no oka ho. Plaintiff is the mother of 3 children, 2 of whom are currently studying in various universities in Ghana. The 3rd child is an infant. Afia Akoto HRS or no owo mamiensa mu mienu kra e wosuapon mo musua de e wo ho na ne otoso miensa ne de ono e abofra enu nti Afia Akoto ekeka we ne mu nyina awie no e na afi ode ensem a A+ eka fan ho no ono so otro ode shemo say Plaintiff stated that on or about 12 July 2024 defendant in a Facebook post published the following statement of the concerning plaintiff. Not just a way statement we and a statement A+ ever published here 12 July no and to say and a statement in it or say Mame Afia Akoto, do you remember the photos of that your yellowish pen you sent to Maxwell to beg him to come and eat you, but he ran away because it was too scary? If you don't know Maxwell, I'm talking about Mcbrown's husband. But for me, Mcbrown would have finished you. Way and someone A+ HRS Afia Akoto ekai se otwitwa ne baby e de kire Mcbrown kunu Maxwell se nka opese omra no ne meda na Mcbrown kra kunu ehu ye no ne yamo hye no efisade na ehu pa na no na A+ HRS se Afia Akoto eni Maxwell na oka ne ho asem na na Mcbrown kunu Maxwell ono eno ho asem na oka o se but for me Mcbrown would have finished you. I had to beg for you so that Sir will to like everywhere won't come out to cause fear and panic in the country. A plus just says one pama grand knuchewa nanka if you to baby a na max on senka babonse de neka or cause fear and panic I spend days solving the problem only for you to come out to cause, only for you to turn around and be fooling. Wokin kutu set space. If I resend these photos to you, you Ankasa, you will shout blood of Jesus. Fool. So there will see Jimmy. Love yourself more than your party. Choose your battles wisely. If you don't know, it go over you. You don't see a foolish man before, Into way any and someone A plus. Eke can defy Afia Akoto when I'm video na A plus. Eke can sound some interbusia come home. Na young video na answer na ha too much GH. Make sure you subscribe channel we. Na we me adomano so I must upload be aba one set me aka. Young A plus videos are no can sound some when na e wo de try Afia Akoto nemra.
Dana me papa send the voice note no. Na o say ne mamienu omo nkasa. Se eye me ya. Me who said by 1 year time na mewu na mesram se me mama mienu monkasa ha me na mkan say woman me masami a wo kan de me nti ase eye no kure se me ne menua ye nkasa but me mete one na kofo from social media say kohwe unua no edi watem social media but oye menua ketwa me ntumi respond me din atembi enti me kokan bia na me tutu so atemdi di odidi me nyina say na me ne MPP aban ko e na say but ono ya akwara me na me ye pani enti me nsoso enti no me nua ye ya but oye me nua ina oye me nua me do no ba won ma di enti na me nua no yesa na ma me Afia Akoto na shenechi Afia Akoto obegu Afia Akoto on oye devil nti se wo hu se me ye bibi ena te se na me kan so create na me kan sifa no enye na semu Afia Akoto me mean no fucking Afia Akoto, you have to be grateful and because o denyane a no why ye nuane no why it's not their break Kwame wo he beje o say ye okoto say ye kan A plus asempe o si munjai enye wo na obekwa kwahye me nua chi so oni ni nua embe komi papa ebewu na na ra ho me papa obewu no na na ra ho because of wo mama Afia Akoto who say all those years man can hwe Kwame plus me wa botre too much we work as Kwame plus ni abotre no that is on share me wa botre I can endure me make me ye din mo wa wiase bibia me endurance level no with different level voltage no was so me to me endure sa but that me bie no fuse bia be blow because heat no be bad voltage no e wo gigaboom and I met see differently. And then, Namia do me nua back. Me and there, if I could do, I don't know. Nemom, share na, who you be and ka won't Kwame plus assem. Won't Kwame plus assem in the sense that who could prepare with naked photo they could send a Maxwell. And yami and ka nim guase. Why can't people be grateful? And can come a problem when you Kwame plus they solve it. Obetu aba social media ba be ye ba mu mpanifo no munya problem e be frɛ Kwame because when in the way I met here it takes a lot for me to react mu mpanifo no munya problem no so e be frɛ Kwame uko pipwa wo photo wo na wo kofa wo phone wo pese wo di obi kumu by force wo twa wo naked photo e de send nipa no send na nipa na yere na kuta photo no ade chinye na be issue na me nam ha na me pacho na me yesi I ensure that ma before ko to wunya problem na ban na ba foforo me bu ko to dwe me pacho munya botro ebegu akofo do anim ase say ma ya na me twa ji wo na me yufin ade chinya wo twa wo high improve so mo be di matem and that's what start ya no pa we was start bi mu on ana pa we so denya ne wo be san be start bi mu on problem by na bank kroma bisa gabi bisa bedi etu bisa NDC boys no me bisa ya yira koku bisa Ferguson me na me franka chom say me seremo say wa broni asem aye kan akufo ado ye papa mamu ye ni say me very reasonable guy say wa broni me ne kasa hey say wa broni me ne kasa chen obi me ne say wa broni ye di nkomo sa mumbisa say wa broni say how many times me pa ne chaw say wa men ye say why me de man no anye say bia say wa ye beji ske bia mo na say me de man no Chaupa, say one me pa chow, say one man ye say, Akufo-Addo ye papa, even though I have issues with Akufo-Addo is still our father, and I don't think it's right to do this. Me pass a waboni chow na momu di matem, but na me parish on one side, me say wa every day missing so constantly. Don't do any, it's okay. Even when you people were fighting with me, ask Wabroni that who was talking to her. What's your fault? Mo behwe mo ya campaign about me ewini no mo focus no Kwame A+.
Abusia safi wakwa ko video na A+ ekeka ensem no pinpin na wo ni na ya ensem a A+ ekeka na ano ye dia na mintimi from anokra enka no ni ensem a A+ eka de fa Afia Akoto hunte Afia Akoto ebo ni nkuro ni nyina ewie de kire court sa no na afi wei ene ensem a oka e de a kire court ne say A+ aka e de afa no say plaintiff states that the statement quoted in paragraph 9 above is defamatory of plaintiff, which is in their natural and ordinary meaning and or by the way of innuendo and were understood to mean that 1. Plaintiff is a person with low morals. That is Afia Akoto ni morals no ever form. 2. Plaintiff said nude pictures of herself to person with whom she is not in a relationship with. That is Afia Akoto no etwetwa na dejemu pictures e de ama obi a oni no eni nkitahudie bia efa empamu agudie mu. 3. Or say plaintiff is a person who goes after other people's husband to demand for sex. That is onu Afia Akoto no oyobi a onu empamu agro ni nyaye ne den nti onam e no pa manfo kunu no mo che say papa ohun anene no apa acho mesrew me baby kikame nti bra na betiti mame. Plaintiff begged for sex from people she is not in a relationship with. Onu Afia Akoto esan say sabio enema agro no ho ye ne den nti o say ne so ye ni kunu so ye ne kanchima so ye ne de ohun wa na opa acho say bra na ene no enkonkoda. Plaintiff is unkept person and does not keep her private parts well. That is Afia Akoto yobi a oni ne huni nti no we nim nyina ye ensem a Afia Akoto akeka de akire se court no enhwemu man na we ni nsem A+ no edigu ne ho fia o say Afia Akoto no so ewo enkwala a omo hwe no so esua no na wanda suba padi amfa nkire enkwala no pe ne A+ ekeka ye nyina sesa na tie no nti ne nyina ekwa we na say Afia Akoto kire court no se court ni hwem na se nsemi nyina ebo A+ dia ene 50 billion na orgy A+ wo na odi aye ne mpata afei court no enhye A+ na A+ ensan ko use ne platform na ogina so de gu ono Afia Akoto hu fi no onsan ko use sa platform na no fansai no ho se asem obeka fa no hu nyina enyo no kure A+ so ye nipa bi aga na haye nim se onjo sa na no enye mresa enu nti ye hwe baby asemi ebekwa akosi afei na ebobo ba ma ye hu comment no e wo comment section na say aha eye too much GH make sure so be subscribe channel we no we mia adoma no so ma say upload bi e baba fa san sem we hu ye de baba be so me da asema krawo.